What's going on, my tapped out auto fans? It's your boy, Dirty Boy, starting off with another day. Just woke up and I'm already dirty. Alright, we are going to get the fuel pump out of this thing today. And we're going to fix that problem first. I hooked a fuel pressure tester up to it and nothing read. So, also I see that there's a filler neck that we need to fix too. So let's check it out here. Yep, there we go. Alright. Y'all can see the filler neck's kind of split open. Kind of weird. I never had a problem putting gas in this truck though. Yeah, hopefully I got another one of those. Alright, let's see. Pop these little metal clips off here. Nothing. There we go. Pop these little metal clips off. A little screwdriver, just put them up in the back. Sometimes you can just pull them up like that. And you want to kind of give these just a little twist. You know, just a little twist. Just kind of loosen the dirt up in there a little bit. Speaking of dirt up, we got something. I'll be right back. Alright, sorry about that, guys. We got the air. I like to spray a little air inside. It helps blow any dirt or debris that's inside there. And you want to get you a set of these. I think I got these, I've had a few sets of these. I think I got these at Harbor Freight for like $5. I had some snap-on ones, and it's a blue one that fits it. I had some snap-on ones, but about 2 or 3 years later, they keep breaking. Get y'all over here where y'all can see some shit. Y'all not level. There you go. Alright, there we go. And y'all still can't see nothing. Let's get y'all over here. There we go. Cool. There we go. Hey, y'all can see. Y'all can see. Okay, well, we can unplug this. There's a little push pin right here. You just push that down. Pull this out. Easy peasy. And then, this out y'all's way so y'all can see. Just take this, y'all kind of wiggle it a little bit. Get it off in there, wiggle it around, hold it in there, and push out. That's it. Right out. Now tuck that up out the way. Go to the other side. Wiggle it around a little bit. Like that. And pull out. That's it. Okay, we'll be right back, and I'm going to get, look like 7mm to take that out. Alright guys, we are back. It is a 8mm. I think I said 7. Apologize about that. Oh shit, I forgot the damn... hang on. Got the air ratchet. Lift right out. Oh, okay. Gonna be a little splashing. I got plenty of gas in it. Alright guys, I'm gonna take y'all inside now.